To reflect objects about the X or Y axis and other movement. Here's the first example. Reflect about Y and down 4. So if you're going to reflect this across the Y axis, you're talking about this one here. Look at this point. That one is 1 away from the Y axis, so you have to put a dot there. And then if you look at this one, it's 2 away. So go 2 away from the Y axis. Now look at this one. Once you have the front dots finished, you can go off of those. You have a total of 3 dots, or 3 spaces that separate those 2 dots. So just go back 3 spaces and put a dot there at the top. And then down here at the bottom you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that separate that. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and make a dot. So that's going to be the reflected image, and from there you have to move it down 4. So go 1, 2, 3, 4 for this bottom dot, and the same for the other one, straight down 4. Now go to the top ones, 1, 2, 3, and there's 4, and the same for the other one. So that's the final image, and after that you have to list out the coordinates. So we'll do that in black. Starting with this one, that's 1, -1. It's supposed to be black. There we go. 1, -1. This one is 6, I believe. 6, -1. This one is 2, 2, and this one is 5, 2. For this one, we have to go across the x-axis, so you're going to end up with a point here, here, and then not there. It's actually going to be 1 over. So there's the reflected image, and now we have to go up 3. Now this one's going to go off the graph, but you can still do it. If you go up 3 here, it's going to put you at that point, and I believe that's going to be 8. And the same thing over here. This one's got to go up 3, so it's going to end up 1, 2, 3. It's going to be there. Now to write the points, looks like we go over 5 and up 5 for this one, and then over 5, up 8 for this one, and then over 1, up 8 for this one. This one has to go across the y-axis, so this point ends up here. And then this one is going to be 3 away. And then another one that's just 2 away from that. If you go down to here, that one is 3 away, straight across. And then you have another one just 2 away from that one. This one is going to be on 7, so you can take it back clear over to there. And now that's the reflected image. You have to bring that down 2. So if you bring everything down 2, you'll end up with not that. Let's see, down 2. Oh, I should have brought this one down to here. Yeah, that makes sense. So we go there, and then to there. You'll have another one here, and then we have to go up to here, and then here, and there. Your points will be -3, 0, -5, 0, and that takes care of the bottom 2. In the middle, you'll have -7, 2, and then -1, 2. And on the top 2, it'll be -5, 4, and -3, 4. Alright, so we start here by going across the y-axis. This is going to have to be 3 away, and then 2, then up 2. There's the reflection. Then you have to go up 5, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the triangle should be there. And that's going to be a -5, 1, -5, -1, and -3, -1.